Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So today is not really a video tutorial. This is more of a revisit to TeknoMW3. I saw that there was a recent update a while back. So I wanted to go back and just revisit the program. Something I've been revisiting year after year just because it's just a fun, cool program. Another neat way for gamers to play MW3 online, so they wish, via an alternative method. So if you're curious on how to get started, there's definitely a wiki, and I have a link in the video description where basically you can use the Steam dedicated server package and get all these various files to install TeknoMW3, and then afterwards just get ready to have a lot of fun online. So what I've done so far to help save some time is I already have the game, I already have the dedicated server package, and if you want to update your version to the latest version, the easiest way is to run the TeknoMW3 client launcher, and then it should like automatically update itself. So at the time of this video recording, I see that the version here is 1504. And when you play the game, I believe it's version 2.8.11, for example. And then they also have a Discord and a wiki if you want to go ahead and check out some additional material or for supplemental help. And then they also have a cool button here called Unlock Stats. So that's where once you have the game running, go back to here, click Unlock Stats, and then it can unlock all these different stats for your particular character, basically, or player. So with that said, what I'm going to do is turn on my Op Studio and sort of do a quick recording of in the game. Sees who's playing online this time of day or night actually, and just show that yeah, this mod is still kicking, it's still alive even in December 2023, and hopefully it's still alive for years to come. So with that said, let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so let's do this. So here we're in the main menu at TeknoMW3. Here I'm just doing an update check as an alternative. You also make sure under dedicated server you got both of these options enabled because that will help you. And now of course make sure you have an open net. So let's go ahead, go to the server list. I want to go and check out and sort it by the most number of players, and at the time of this video recording I see there's 7 people and there's one particular server, so we're gonna go ahead and connect to it, and I will let you know straight up I will get my butt kicked in the game. I always do, but that doesn't matter because I play it for fun and just really play it just to have a lot of good times here. So I'm gonna pick the Grenadier class. I'm just gonna go around and just have some fun here, and of course I won't get killed, but that's alright. But anyways, you can see that, yeah, there definitely are players playing the game. Are there more players during the day, depending on the time of day and whatnot, or a day of the week? I'm not really sure because I don't really play this that much, but at least you can see that yes, the solution is still alive. And of course, if you want to get more sophisticated with hosting a server, they have a wiki for those instructions, or maybe you don't care about multiplayer, maybe you want to play like single player or like co-op mode, go to the wiki. They have various instructions on how you can do that if that's your jam. So that, anyways, that is today's video overview revisit of TeknoMW3 in December 2023 edition. If you guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.